How much equity do you have in your house? If you had tens of thousands of dollars available to you and your family right now, what would you do with it? This is Jason Valentine with Coldwell Banker High Desert Realty, and I wanted to let you guys know, if you have been keeping tabs on anything with the real estate market, you know it's absolutely bonkers right now. And I wanted to let you know the importance this has for homeowners in today's market to give them options on what they want to do. So first off, let's take a quick look. If you look at the equity that is available in your house right now, over the last 12 months nationally, we've seen $33,400 of equity gains across the country on average. Now you can see New Mexico down there is about $26,000, and Gallup, New Mexico doesn't always follow the rest of the national and state trends. So let's just take a quick snapshot of what an equity position looks like in Gallup, New Mexico. Guys, this house here in Mossman subdivision, we actually saw it sell in 2018. It sold again in 2021. The owner had been there about 2.5 years, and it sold for 17% more than what they bought it for, which is absolutely astounding when you think that the average property value growth nationally is only about 3.6%. That means that this pretty much tripled what the average growth rate was over about 2.5, 3 years. So that means our homeowners have significant equity positions. And what that means for you as a potential homeowner, you have tens of thousands of dollars available at your disposal. What are some of the options you can do with this? Well, let me start off by telling you, first off, I'm a real estate guy, so you can sell your current house, move into something that fits your family a little bit better. You can use that significant chunk of equity as a down payment on the next house, avoid paying PMI, get into something a little bit nicer for yourself, and possibly have pretty much the same payment as what you're paying right now. Number two, you can refinance your current house into lower interest rates. Even though they're not as low as they were 12 months ago, they're still at historic lows, which means if you're paying a 5, 6, 7% interest rate, you should maybe consider lowering that payment. You may not have put down 20% when you bought your house several years ago. Maybe you only put 3 or 5% down. If so, you're probably paying private mortgage insurance, and that means that if you refinance, you're in a significant equity position. You can eliminate that private mortgage insurance, probably reduce your payment $100, maybe $200 a month, put that money back in your pocket. Maybe you can borrow against your house, get some of those updates that you've wanted to do on that house, replace that kitchen, those kitchen cabinets and such like that, maybe do the addition that you wanted to do, whatever. Let's see, how about cashing out and paying off some higher interest credit card debts? You know, credit card, I think the average interest rate on the credit card was something like 18% is off of a report I just saw. Your home loan is probably going to be around 4%. So you can borrow against your home, pay off those high interest credit cards, be disciplined with it, but it can keep putting more money back in your pocket. Maybe you want to open a business, and this opportunity to borrow against your house to get the capital to open your business is going to allow you to go into business for yourself. And maybe you start attaining some of the dreams, hopes, and desires that you have for yourself. Last but not least, at very least, you need to update your insurance. You need to know what your current property value is, so that way you can update your insurance and be sure your family is protected. God forbid something catastrophic should happen. You want to know that you're not going to be leaving money on the table because you weren't properly insured. So for any of those things, the first thing you need to do is get an equity report and know what your equity is in your house. Guys, give us a call at Coldwell Banker High Desert Realty, 505-863-4363. Me and my team will provide a free equity report for you and also help you look at what options are going to be the best options for you, so that way you and your family can get the most out of the house you're living in. So again, you want a free equity report, give us a call, 505-863-4363, or call me on my cell, 575-496-1068. This is Jason Valentine with Coldwell Banker High Desert Realty. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.